Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I am very excited because today I'm going to be doing a house tour. We have been here for 2 weeks now and finally I'm ready to show you my home. It is 12:30 and I have been cleaning it since 9:30. My house wasn't messy, it wasn't dirty. I've just really been noticing that I do not do good with clutter and items and things, so I have just been decluttering my home for a long time, vacuuming because I actually just got a vacuum and I'll show you that in a second. But I was just cleaning up and arranging things and I'm finally ready to show you my home. So I'm really excited to be doing this and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do. Make sure to leave me a comment down below on other videos you want to see. If you want to see clean with me, organizing the bathroom, organizing my closet because I gotta do that soon. But anyway, for any of you who are new, this is Scarlett. This is my German Shepherd. She will be following us everywhere today. So anyway, this is my kitchen. I have my microwave right here. I have my fridge. Now our fridge we're actually going to be replacing. We're getting a new one in next week. So I will show you guys how we organize our fridge and everything like that, but we will be getting a different fridge. I absolutely love how it's just a nice big kitchen. I like the cupboards. The countertop we're probably going to change. Same with the backsplash, but for right now it's pretty good. I love how we have just a couple of accessible things right here, if we want a glass, if we want a mug, or if we want a plate or bowl, I can keep them right there. At first I thought I was going to need to change the stove when we moved in because I was never used to these, but I love it. And then there's Scarlett's treat jar. Later on I do want to get a nice rollaway island for in here and then maybe change the sink to a black one. So just to give you a better overview, that's the kitchen, that's my dog. Shall we move to the next room? Right from the kitchen, you have the dining room. So I actually just got this vacuum this morning. This is the Bolt Pet 16V lithium ion Bissell vacuum. I have really been enjoying it. I'm going to use it a lot more and then talk about it more in a clean with me. But if you're looking for a good affordable vacuum, this one's on sale at Canadian Tire. Just to let you know, it works really good for pet hair. So this is where Scarlett has been eating and drinking. Clearly I need to give her some more food, but it's been right here. This table was actually from Owen's parents' house. I actually used to use it as a sewing table and I had a rotary cutter and I actually cut right through onto the table. But for right now we're using this. We're actually getting a little breakfast nook to come in here, so I will show you guys that later on. This is what we're using for right now. I mean, it's a table, it works, it's good for now. The nook is gonna go right in the corner because it is a corner breakfast nook, and then the rest of the dining room will be open. That's where Scarlett's food is. Here's Scarlett. This here we actually had in the living room, but we just put it there for now just to have a little bit more storage. So I'm really short, I'm 5'1", so I have a bench there. Just our pencils and pens and light bulbs are in a little bin. I have a nice ceramic tiger and then my marble Lazy Susan. Just with this light, I can control my light. This is Scarlett's place. This is where I find Scarlett all the time. believe it or not. So right here I have my marble tables. This is marble and the bottom is cast iron. These are so heavy. I love marble. So I was really excited when I found those at HomeSense. They were on sale for $55 each, so I got both. My mom found me these really, really nice lamps, so I really like them in here because they're so simple, but they're really, really nice at the same time. Scarlett's toy bin, Miss Scarlett, who sleeps on a couch 24/7 all the time. This is where she is all the time. We need to find like the best way to hang like things on drywall. So for right now, we only have one picture up. And then we have these two chairs here for now. Because of how our living room is and how I am, I want to get a sectional because it's going to be a lot less cluttered. It's going to be a little bit more open and it's going to feel a lot more comfy. And then we can get rid of like the two round chairs. But for right now, we've got the one couch that's taken by the dog, and we've also got the two round chairs. So then in this corner right here, again, we just have the little marble table. When we moved in, there was red curtains here, red curtains in the dining room. So my mom had spare curtains, so right now we have brown ones and then a gray one. So this is our living room. Honestly, this is one of my favorite places. And we also have this rug for right now. I'm honestly not a fan of like the hardwood flooring, so we'll probably change that later on. I feel like the gray from the carpet kind of completes everything, so I've been really enjoying that. This is our little entrance. I love this because you can actually just have like people take off their boots and everything here. So we have just our shoes here. Later on, I'm gonna get myself a nice shoe rack, but for right now, the shoes are fine there. And then you can see our nice closet. We don't really have anything in here. I don't really have any jackets. So I'm just keeping like the seasonal jackets in here because I feel like if I keep everything in here, it's gonna be way too much. So if I can just keep a couple of like the good jackets up here, we're good to go. And then up here, it's very, very simple. Shoe cleaner, extra change, lint roller because of the dog, Scarlett stuff, extra reusable bags, and a light that we are going to be switching. Another nice thing that it has is this little area here. So we put this little bench. I'd like to put a picture up on the wall. I think that would look so nice. But we have just a little bench here, which I really, really like. So that's our main floor. So I'm going to take you guys upstairs first, and then I'll finish with the basement. So we're going to go upstairs. The first washroom. It's actually a fair size. It's really bright, and then this opens up, which is so, so cool. So we have like a nice size mirror. I've got a couple shelves here. This is from my sister who had bought me this for Christmas. I thought it was a special place to put it right there. We have frosted windows, which I really, really like. I absolutely love the flooring. And then eventually I want to change the sink so that we're able to have something to put storage underneath. It's nice because everything is just so nice and light and bright. I like it. You coming? So right now, this room is filled with my things that I need to put away, or I need to find a place for, or figure out what to do with. But it's a really nice open room, and it also has a really nice closet, which is just filled with my stuff. Eventually, this is going to be my sewing room and crafting room, so that's why I put everything in here, because I don't have my desk yet, but when I do, I can figure out what I want to do with all of this stuff. This is stuff that was bothering me that was downstairs, so I brought it all up, I tucked it away. But yeah, this is just an overview. It's just a very basic room that will eventually be my crafting room slash sewing room, and a room that I have to figure out what to do with all this stuff. But see, when I'm like standing up here, I don't see it, so it doesn't bother me. But when I walk in, I go, what do I do? So then this is the master. Owen made us a bed frame that looked like it was floating and then put lights underneath, which is so cool because you can even change lights. I'll put the lights in the description down below. They're from Amazon. I also want to get 2 nightstand tables that are white to put on either side. And then I need to get a dresser for in here. Hi. This one's Owen's, that one's mine, which we need to go through very soon and declutter clothing. But the room is so big. My mirror actually has like Justin Bieber stickers on it from when I was a teenager, so I need to take those off. But yeah, and then I think eventually right here we're gonna want to put a TV. I also have like a little marble garbage can because I really like marble. This is how I organize my closet. I really need to go through my clothing because I feel like when I look at it, the clothing feels just too young to me, not my style at all. So I need to go through it and declutter. I have a wardrobe coming specifically for my activewear tomorrow, which we're gonna put up in my filming room. So a lot of the stuff from my closet can go down there, but for right now, it's just tucked away in there. I've also got my hair care products I use all the time. This is all activewear, that's activewear, and then we've got activewear in here. So once the activewear comes out, it's gonna clear a lot of it. Okay, I'm going in the bathroom. Do you want to go to the bathroom? Okay. What I find really cool is we have this like little like L shape here, and I would like to put like a bin here for laundry. I think that'd look cool. But this is our linen closet. I spent so long organizing it the other day. Up there is like nice blankets, and then this is our towels. This is like face cloths, and then more blankets and pillow covers and everything. And then in here is like sheets. I want to figure out how to organize this better. And then in here is my like Christmas sweaters and everything. So for right now, it's not bad. I like these 2. Well, these 3, but when I get down here, I want to figure that out. So we'll organize that another day. Okay, so we have a really cool light fixture up there, which I really like, and then a nice big mirror, and then here's the sink. So my sister actually also got me these, which I liked in here because the walls are kind of yellow. I guess I should turn a light on. I guess a light would be a lot better. But anyway, she got me these little frog soap dispenser and like a toothbrush holder, and the walls are like almost like a light beige-ish color. Kinda. So anyway, this is our vanity. Eventually I'd want to get something that comes out a little wider maybe to fill these so we have more space and just better like cupboards. But for right now, it's all organized. But then we have this shower that is so tall, like very tall. And then I've got my shampoos right there, of course my Finola. And the funny thing is when I ordered the shower curtain off Walmart, it was supposed to be white and gray, but it came in this color, which actually matches the bathroom perfectly. And then that's Owen's office slash a gaming room. So when we moved in, Owen and I had the agreement where he would have the upstairs for his office, gaming room, which is honestly just filled with like his wires and gaming things, and it's just, you know, that's his thing, I guess. So I have basically the whole basement. That's just that. So the basement is finished, but The guy that owned it before, honestly, kind of did like patchwork and was not the best at like home maintenance. So there's things that need to be done, but it's really nice for now, and I love basements. Here's the stairs, and then under the stairs I have all of my like Christmas stuff, which I like. It's easy and accessible. And then we have the laundry room. So the laundry room is like, okay, it definitely needs work. I got a nice drying rack, which is so nice because now I can actually hang my activewear and actually wash my activewear. I haven't washed it since I got here because I had nowhere to hang anything. So this opening here is actually gonna have barn doors later on. Here is my whole filming area and workout area. So this is where I do my makeup. It's all right here. And eventually on the wall, I want to put this nice mirror up. So that's what we're gonna do. Hi. And then all my filming equipment is there. All my workout stuff is there. And then I also have these, which are like tinted purple. Hello. Hi. So these are like tinted, hi, purple. This here is going to be a spare room. For now, I have a coffee table and a chair down here. And then we have our winter clothing. I'll show you where I want that later. But for now, this is gonna be a spare room. I think this would just be a really nice like spare room. So that's why we're gonna have this one as a spare room. And then all of this is actually going to go in another closet. Oh, I figured out where it goes. There was actually a piece of like a light shade in the laundry room and it goes up there. That's funny. We have these two closets here. They both open up and they're partially finished. So what I want to do is I actually have some panels that I used to use as a background, and then I want to put a pole in there so I can put all of our winter stuff in there. Owen skidooing stuff, my boots, my snow pants, everything like that. But this is the basement, which I really love and I can't wait to just fix up a little bit. So that is my house tour. This is our little home and I'm really excited. I wanted to do this like vlog style and walk you through it. Like I said, eventually I want to do things to the downstairs, and I will film organizing my activewear so you can see me putting up that nice wardrobe from Amazon. I call it a wardrobe, but it's like a clothing rack. When I put the clothing rack up and organize all my activewear, you guys are going to see all that, and I'm really excited because I can finally do clean with me, organize with me, and everything like that. If you have any suggestions on what I should do with the linen closet, let me know in the comments down below. But this was the home that felt like home, because even without any renos right now or any repainting or anything like that, it's gray, it's nice, it's light and airy, and that's what I really like. I think I'm going to be very, very minimalistic, and I think my house is going to be very, very minimalistic. Is that even a thing to say? I don't know. I think you're gonna be like a minimalist and not have a bunch of stuff. Anyway, it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna make some lunch. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.